With the 8 Series, we did something we've never done before. We built it for the racetrack and then put it on the road. We've learned from the i8 that however stunning our sports coupes are, many of our customers also want to enjoy an open-air experience. So I'm delighted that we have another world premiere for you here today. The BMW 8 Series Convertible. It combines ultra-sporty driving with design elegance and, of course, that thrilling open-air experience. As you can see, the 8 Series family is growing. Next year, we'll be adding the Grand Coupe to these two. And there's great news for BMW M fans, because all of these will be offered as M models.